Hi everyone, thanks for joining me once again for another video. I'm at Nana BTS station. The reason I'm here, I'm going to head down to Ekkamai BTS station and I'm going to show you how to catch the bus from Ekkamai bus station all the way down to Pattaya. I'll show you what counter to go to, I'll show you the exit to take at the BTS, and there's a few pitfalls you've got to be, I'm going to warn you about, some things you shouldn't do when you're at the bus station. So let's head down to Ekkamai right now and I'll show you exactly where you go to catch that bus. So I've now turned up at the BTS station here at Ekkamai, and if you look at the board up there, the fourth one down, it says the Eastern Bus Terminal. We need to go out at exit 2, so we'll do that right now. So this is the Eastern Bus Terminal. There's also a Northern Bus Terminal, but you can go to lots of destinations from here. So the window you want to go to, you see over there, there's a couple of people there. Normally they're hanging out the window shouting. So this is the one you want. It's the first counter you come to when you enter. But this is the one you want. It's a 38-seater bus, and it's pretty safe because they're on a salary, so they get paid even when they're not driving. Okay, these are the ones you want to avoid, these ones here. You might not have a lot of choice if you're going somewhere a little bit unusual, somewhere smaller like displayed on the board there, but you definitely don't want this one. That'll be a little mini bus that drives very, very fast. That's a 13-seater right there. That one's going to Chatham. You can hear somebody shouting out Pattaya. Let's go over there, they're shouting out Pattaya. Right, you see what they're trying to do, they're trying to get everybody out of the queue from the other bus there. So they're hanging out the window shouting Pattaya, Pattaya, bus go now. And you want to avoid these ones as much as you can. Okay, let's take a walk into the bus station and I'll show you where the official bus goes from. Okay, so it's actually bay number 1 and people are just queuing up to get on it now, as you can see. It's always pretty full. I think they go every half an hour. If not every half an hour, it's every hour. But you can see underneath, there's plenty of room for your suitcases and things underneath. And when you get on, you get an actual numbered seat, so it's not a free-for-all. But you can see, just about see on the side there, that's going to Bangkok to Pattaya. And that will go to the North Terminal in Pattaya. Before I go, I just want to give you a little tip about when you get to Pattaya. Okay, you're going to get to the Northern Bus Station. Now, when you get down there, you'll get guys approach you who drive Songtels, BART buses, and they'll ask you where you're going. They'll say, yep, go in there, and they'll lead you to the BART bus. But the engine will be turned off. There might be somebody else sitting in the back there. You'll get in. Now, they're not going to leave the bus station until that Songtel is full of people, okay? And then once it is full of people, which can take up to 20 minutes, half an hour maybe, it's going to be a milk run. You're going to go around every single hotel where people are going on that bus, and if yours are the last, it could take, I'd hazard to guess, I did it once when I first came here, when I went to Pattaya. I took one of those buses. What I'd recommend is when you get off the bus, just go to the front of the bus station, contact Grab or Bolt. They'll be with you within 5 minutes. It's about 45 to 50 baht to get into the city. Very quick, very reliable, and you're not going to be hanging around, you know, like if you take the shared bus, okay? So quite a short video today. I hope you found it useful. It's a great way to get down to Pattaya. It's the way I used to get down. You know, you can get on the BTS or the MRT at any station as long as you end up at Ekkamai. And again, it's exit 2. It only takes about 2 hours to get down to Pattaya on the bus. Very comfortable. It's air conditioned. That's very, very important. They don't drive like lunatics, and they can go on the main toll road with the toll booths. You know, so it's quite quick. And it doesn't stop on the way though. So just make sure you go to the toilet before you leave. There is a toilet here, right here in the bus station. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you with another video real soon.